Kids first, that's what you guys say. That to me would mean that a charter school, North Valley Military Institute, shouldn't be charging their students to go to summer school. Yet, that's what it said on their website, that's what they were doing. The charter school division did not catch it. I found it, I filed a complaint, and then the charter school division did a notice to cure. Kids first. That should mean that when Granada Hills Charter High School was taking money from their from their student fund and using it to pay their teacher, the payroll, then that shouldn't have been happening. But the charter school division didn't find that either. I found it, I reported it, and then a notice to cure was issued. Our charter school division is overwhelmed. They cannot handle the charter schools that we have now. That is why a moratorium is needed. We need to stop accepting new charters until we can find out that and make sure that we are overseeing the charter schools that exist now for the safety of the students that go there, for the protection of all the students in the district and the money that goes to education. We need to be overseeing these schools, and we're not. And I would actually go further, because the charter schools that do exist, you guys have a right to put a member on each of those governing boards, a member who can look out and be the first warning when things are going wrong. Yet, the only time I've seen this district do it was El Camino, and that's because their principal stole money from the school. It should be every school. You should have a member on each governing board watching out and to make sure that something happens.